So guys, now you could see this is React application successfully created here. Now go to the pin code app and simply refresh it. Now you could see this is what it is here, React application, and you have the source folder, and in source folder we have the app.js. This is where the everything is there. Okay, now we'll see how we can run this application. Okay, go to the terminal, open a terminal from this location. Okay, then simply npm install. So this should install all the libraries which are presented in the download all these libraries and keep it in the node-modules folder. Okay, so once it is done, then we can simply use npm start to start an application, and it will run in some local server. Okay, now you could see it is done. Then clear it, then npm start to start our application here. Now you could see it is started. The application, this since it is the first time, it might take little bit of time. Okay, so starting a development server, as you could see here, this is our application here. Let's close all the tabs, close other tabs. Yes, okay. So uh, it is starting. I don't know why this is taking this much of time. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah, now you could see it has started here. React application, it has started. So just go to your app.js and remove all the unnecessary things here. Okay, something like you don't need anything here as of now. Okay, so simply put something like p and hello world, and from here we'll start improving. Okay, I don't need any of this as of now, and app.css, no need of any of these. Then then simply save it. It will run in the background automatically once you saved it. Now you could see this is our beginning of the application. So as part of this video, what we have learned how to create an application. We have learned how to import into the web, Visual Studio, how we can install it, like npm install, npm start, right? Now let's create few components. So simply keep something like components. Okay, here let's create another folder for input form. Input form. Here I will have, how many I will have? I will have a component called um, uh, pin input form .js, and new file pin input form.css. Okay, so this is a beginning. If you go here to the pin code service, source, components, input form, now you could see we have two. Okay, so this is how we can create it, guys. We'll slowly see what are the other things.